So I guess I went a little long with the last section of notes. What I was trying to say was that Gorbachev went ahead and allowed for elections for the first time in Soviet Union history. Because of this, the Soviet Union begins to fall apart. We'll see some pro-democracy students protesting in China. It's referred to as Tiananmen Square, where they were protesting. Uh, Chinese communists were not going to have this, and they absolutely crush this protest with tanks and automatic weapons. A very, very deadly outcome of this. Very similar to what was going on in Poland, we do see some Eastern European countries from that Soviet bloc, that Soviet sphere, the buffer zone we spoke about previously, going against communism and going towards democracy. Finally, the Berlin Wall is torn down. I think some of you may have seen a chunk of it over there by Chavez Middle School in that park on the way over there. The Sandinistas get voted out of power in Nicaragua. Gorbachev wins the Nobel Peace Prize for the end of the Soviet Union. And the Cold War ends. Or does it? Dun, dun, dun. Well, I hope this was as enjoyable for you as it was for me. Make sure you guys do look at those videos. I know there's quite a few of them, but please make sure you look over them. You might want to take some very light notes on it. I assure you they will assist you on the test. Farewell.